In today's video, I will be showing you how to do the griddle stitch. It's fully reversible, so it's a great pattern to use either in a blanket, a scarf, a sweater, a beanie, pretty much anything that you like. You must know how to use the single crochet, a chain stitch, and double crochet stitch. So grab any ball of yarn and any crochet hook, and let's get started. So we will start off with a slip knot. For this project, I am going to chain 8 plus 2, but for any project that you want to use it for, just make sure you chain multiples of 2 and then plus 2 to begin. So 8 and then plus 2, which counts as a double crochet. So for the first row, we're going to single crochet into the 4th chain on the hook. So we're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and just single crochet into that 4th chain. Then for the next stitch, we're going to double crochet, and we're going to keep alternating single crochet, double crochet, then single crochet, then double crochet, and then single crochet into the last stitch. And that is row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 3, and it does count as a double crochet. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to skip this very first stitch. And on top of this double crochet, we're going to single crochet, and then we're going to double crochet, and then single crochet, and then double crochet, and then single crochet, and then double crochet, and then single crochet, on top of that turning chain, which is a little difficult to see. There we go. And that's row 2. So basically you're alternating. So on top of the double crochet from the previous row, you're going to single crochet. And then vice versa, on top of the single crochet, you're going to double crochet. And that's row 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat rows 1 and 2. So chain 2, turn the work, and we're going to single crochet on top of this double crochet from the previous row. And then double crochet, and we're going to keep alternating single, then double, single, then double, and then single at the very end. Row 3. Let's continue to row 4. We're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn our work, and then we're going to skip that first stitch and single crochet and double, and single. Repeat the pattern all the way until the end. A single crochet in the turning chain, and then you just keep alternating single crochet, double crochet in the stitches, and make sure they're the opposite in every row. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and happy crocheting.